I am Sangeeta Rungta. He's my husband Anup Rungta. I have a son Rahul and my daughter-in-law Satya. So yeah, 4 of us are staying here. To get my house renovated, so I was just on search whom should I give it to. I just came to know through Facebook about Livspace. I told my husband Anup, let's go and see their office at Lower Parel. We were stunned seeing the modular house prepared there. So we met a designer, Manali, there. And coming to the living room, I wanted to give it a very stylish and a very sober look. Yeah, at the same time it should be functional also. So we have a very good L-shape sitting arrangement over here. The bench solution was given by Manali. It can be used as a divider, it can be used for the living room as well as for the dining room when there are a lot of guests at home. And I have all the functional corners. One dedicated corner for my husband to work because he's working from home. Even the dining table which we have chosen is like it can suit to the needs of say 6 to 7 people. There was a problem where to keep the washing machine. So Manali came up with an idea. So that is the best part, and how well it is blended with the decor of the living room ki no one will come to know ki here there's a washing machine. When people come, I have to show them. So they say, wow, here's a washing machine, don't even know it. And coming to the kitchen, it's the best place for me to work now because I have that domino cooktop which I was longing for. It gives a very neat look, a very high-end chimney. Also, I wanted a very good mandir. Yeah, my son recently got married. We wanted something very bright for them in the room. We chose very bright floral wallpaper and a matching backrest of the bed. And then moving to my room, I wanted something very earthy and a subtle look, not very bright. The bathroom, it also gives a very quirky look with gold fittings and brick pattern tiles.
Whatever they have done, ये तो हो गया and I won't be able to do it further. Whatever little bit changes we wanted to make, they still did it.
Team of Livspace was very good. There was very good coordination between all of them, and we were very free. The best part which I liked was that we used to meet just once every week. Our home is a comfort zone. It's my den. It's a place which I look forward to relax and do all kinds of things which I really love to. And because I am a homemaker, a home is everything for me.
Like this video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for new home tours, interior ideas and more every week.